Write down the equation of each of the following. The line which is parallel to x-axis and which passes through the point 4, 8. So how your line would be? Just imagine the line, it passes through x-axis. That means if we have an axis like this, the line passes through somewhere at x-axis. We don't know through where, but somewhere at x-axis.
Parallel to
Which
x-axis.
is which is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means it would be like this, no?
Yeah.
And which passes through the point 4, 8. Where does this 4, 8 comes? Point.
4 is x.
And 8 is?
Y-axis.
4 is from here. And 8 would be over here. Correct? And which passes through 4, 8. So what would be the equation of the line then? The line is parallel to x-axis.
So x equals to 4.
Parallel to x-axis means if okay, you told me x equals to 4, right? Yeah. So then the line would be like this, no? Where it is parallel to y-axis. Yeah. But our question is parallel to x-axis.
Then it's 8.
But then who is equals to 8?
Okay. The
4 value is for x value and 8 value will be for y. So then what would be the equation?
Y equals to 4. I mean, sorry, 8.
Y is equals to 8. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. If so, then the B question. Now I'll not help. Let us see how you're getting. The line which is parallel to y-axis and which passes through the point -2, -6.
Which passes through point -2. Then, okay. It's -2.
Which equation is equals to? Like, y is equals to or x is equals to?
X is equals to -2.
Perfect. Right. Now you're correct. Okay. Next one. C.
C.
The
The line which is parallel to the line x equals 4. Which passes through 1 and 1. Okay. The line which is y equals to 1.
y is equals to
1.
the line which is parallel to line x is equals to 4. So line x is equals to 4 will be coming over where?
On the right.
This one, no? This line.
Yeah.
So to this line, your new line should be parallel. So then what would be the equation?
It should be left, up.
Somewhere it can be left, right, anywhere it can be. But then what would be the equation? You told me y equals 1. But then y equals 1, the line goes like this, no? That is wrong. So y equals is not the right one. So then?
I don't know.
Y equals 1 you told me. But then y equals 1, it passes like this. It crosses the line. We need a line which is parallel to the green line that I have drawn right now.
Then x equals to 4.
That is the line that I have drawn. So for that, you need to draw a line which is parallel. And the values they have already given you.
Y equals to 4.
No, dear. Y
So,
equals to 4 means where does it come? Will it come in the parallel form of this one?
yeah.
Y equals 4 means it will be touching somewhere over here like this. It goes, no?
Mm.
But then I need a line which is parallel to this green line that I've drawn. And this green line's equation is x is equals to 4. So what would be that line which will be parallel to this x equals 4? Look into this question once again properly. You have it in front of you.
Y equals -1.
I said y equals means it is not parallel to x.
Oh,
So switch the variable. Will it be y?
x equals to 1.
X is equals to 1, no dear.
Oh,
The value already they gave you 1, 1, in which the y equals 1 is not going to work because it will be crossing this line, x equals 4. We want a line which is parallel to x equals 4. So therefore the equation is x equals 1. That would be somewhere over here and it is parallel to this line, isn't it?
mm.
Next one. The line which is parallel to the line.
Equals -5. Then it should be on y somewhere.
Correct. Perfect.
6.
Equation say completely.
Y equals to 6.
That's it. Perfect. Very good. Okay. Got it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, I want you to try this one. Question number 4. Write down the coordinates of the points where the following pairs of the lines intersect. Intersect means what, Afia?
It passes.
It passes. It passes.
Like like this.
Uh-huh. Yes, the point at which they both gets touched up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you need to let me know which are those coordinates through which